Lucy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on a video of mine. It would mean so much to me if you could subscribe down below. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video of mine. It means so much to me. In today's video, it's a little bit different one and it's all to do with manifesting and manifestation, and it's a beginner's guide to manifestation. So I'm compiling everything about manifestation all into one video just so that you've got that one place to go, because I know when I started it was all so confusing. So if you don't have a clue what it is or you're just getting into it, this is the perfect video for you and the perfect place to start. I've done my research, I've got it all written down in my book here, and we'll just kind of go through it all. I've split it up into 6 different categories on what I think are the most important for manifesting and manifestation. So let's get straight on into this video. So what is manifestation and manifesting? It's basically a process that you use to attract your desires in life. So let's say you want a new car, new job, you want a relationship, new friends. You use this process to attract what you want and your desires into your life and let it become a reality. So step number 1 to manifesting is positive vibes and high vibration. So basically, let's say you're on a normal vibration level and this is where you're starting, and what you want is up here and is out of your reach. You need to increase your vibration levels and your good positivity and everything so that you match the energy levels of what you want in life so that you can easily reach it, rather than being so far below it that you're never going to reach it. Or if bad things start happening, your vibration is low and you're going to be even further out of reach. So you want to have a high vibration to be able to reach what you want in life. So it's kind of like the same with law of attraction. You've probably heard that as well, and that is basically the principle that like attracts like. So if you keep thinking positive, positive things will happen, but if you start thinking negative, you kind of have that negative effect of things just keep going wrong and just tumbling. Ways to increase your positivity is to do stuff that you like. So it could be hobbies, like for me it's filming this YouTube video, have a spa time, treat yourself to something new. I also suggest drinking water, because I know when I'm dehydrated I'm not as positive and you're a bit So I definitely suggest drinking more water, because that's helped me so much with manifesting. And just kind of do things that you enjoy, whether it's like putting makeup on, it could literally be anything. Step number 2 to manifestation is gratitude, and practicing gratitude and what you're grateful for. My best way to do this would to write a list of things that you're grateful for every morning. I would do no less than 5, but if you can think of more than 5, I definitely write them down. That could be anything, whether it's like I'm grateful for a new lipstick, I'm grateful for my friends, my boyfriend, my family. It can literally be anything that you're grateful for, which I usually typically do before I start manifesting of what I want in my life. Step number 3 is your surroundings and your senses. So basically you want to take note of all your surroundings, and again that wants to all be kind of positive, but you want to be more aware of your senses, so what you can smell, see, taste, hear and feel. Not many people talk about this, but I feel like if you're in tune with your senses, it just makes it easier to attract what you want. So you can either do this by meditating or just taking a few moments to yourself and just taking in your surroundings, or lighting a candle, relaxing. So I would also definitely suggest kind of tidying your room, have a clear out. I know that I'm always a lot more positive when my bedroom's a lot tidier, so I would definitely suggest doing that. Step number 4 is actually manifesting. My 3 top ways of manifesting is to do a visualization board or mood board of everything that you want to attract, and then set that on your laptop screen, your phone screen, so you can just keep looking at every single day. Every time you open your phone you can see it. Or even do like a scrapbook that you keep looking back on of just things that you want, and just put like photos that relate to the things that you want to achieve on there. So let's say that you're after a house, you put like a house on there, the kind of style that you want. Let's say you're into a relationship, you can put like a couple on it, or a holiday. It can literally be anything. You just put like little pictures all around it of what you want to attract. Step number 2 to manifesting is scripting. So you write down what you want as if you already have it. So you be like, I'm so happy that I have just moved into my new dream house, but go into detail about the things that you actually want in this new house of yours, and you'll definitely attract it. So let's say, I'm so grateful for this new 3-bedroom house that's got the perfect location, and different things of just what you want out of this house. It can literally be everything. It's not necessarily a house. That's just like the first thing that I thought of. You just write down in so much detail. Like, let's say that you're after a relationship, you can put all the qualities down that you're looking for in that person. So it could be appearance, it could be personality, it could be anything related to this person that you want to attract into your life, and it just makes it easier. But you need to act as if you already have it. And step number 3, which I think actually personally works best for me, is visualization. So you kind of visualize what you want in your life and act as if you already have it in your vision. So this is the one that works best for me, and I typically do this first thing in the morning or last thing at night when I'm trying to fall asleep, so you're kind of more likely to dream about it. Basically, the way you want to do it, let's say you've got a new car, you imagine yourself driving that new car, or let's say going back to the house, you imagine yourself getting those keys, looking at your new house, and it's got all the things that you want. You imagine that person and what they look like and how they act, how they make you feel, and just, you really need to have your thoughts and feelings when you're manifesting, especially when you're visualizing it. It's just so easy to kind of put yourself in that position and make it out as if you actually have achieved what you want, and then it's easier to have a reality because you already know what it feels like to have already achieved that. I don't want this video to drag on, so I'm just going to touch upon these points. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to get back to you. So step number 5 of manifesting is trust the timings. So if it doesn't happen straight away, you're like, oh god, this doesn't work. Of course it's not going to work because that's negative energy, but you also need to trust the timings of when it's going to happen for you. So you don't need to really know how what you want to attract or your desire is going to happen. You just need to believe in yourself that it is going to happen at some point, and just trust the timings in when that is going to happen. And step number 6, it's not really necessarily a step, but it is ways that you can improve your manifestation, is to manifest on a full moon because the energy is higher, and as well as getting crystals that relate to what you want to attract. I would definitely do some research onto what crystals suit you and the thing that you desire the most, because then that has that energy and that frequency inside of it to map out what you want in life. And finally, I just want to mention that manifestation is really putting your thoughts into something, and those thoughts change your emotions, and then your emotions have the reaction of an action for you to then achieve that thing that you desire. So you can't just believe it so much, you do actually actively need to kind of go out and get it. It's kind of all putting you in the right mindset to be able to do it. So that is all my manifestation tips and tricks for beginners. I hope you did enjoy this video. I can do plenty more talking in more depth and detail about manifestation, law of attraction, crystals, anything that you want, but I just kind of wanted to put all the basics into one video just to kind of make it easier for beginners. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.